Let's do an oil change. In case you're wondering why I jacked it up the way I did, is because I can't drive on the ramps because my lip is too low. And I want you to take off the whole bumper, so gotta jack up each side and then put them on like that. I'm going with the Mobil 1 Extended Performance for this oil change. Alright, I let the car run for a little bit, so now go ahead and check my dipstick. I guess that's all I was doing. Awesome. We're good. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.